Hello children, today we are going to study about the 3rd standard social science, page number 231. Page number 231, all of you open your textbook, page number 231. In the previous class, in the previous period, already you have studied Asia and India. Asia and India, okay, how much earth surface is there covered by the water, then land mass, what is continent, what is a map, how many continents are there, which is the biggest continent, which is the smallest continent, where we have to live, why it is suitable for to live, okay. See here, today we are going to continue the lesson. Largest country by area, Russia. Then the world's longest wall is Great Wall of China. The next one, world records. This is political. Yesterday, in the previous period, you have studied politically. Here, the records is the world records, it is in the physical. World's highest mountain. World's highest mountain, it is very important. Mount Everest. When we will ask on that time, you say this answer. World's highest mountain is Mount Everest, border of China and Nepal. China and Nepal. Highest mountain this is. In the world, very highest mountain, Mount Everest. The second one is world's lowest point on land. World's lowest point on land, it is Dead Sea. Border of Israel and Jordan. This border is Israel and Jordan. The third one point is world's largest lake by area. World's largest lake by area, Caspian Sea. The lake is Caspian Sea. This is Western Asia. It will comes the area Western Asia. Next one, world's oldest, deepest and longest. See here children, world's oldest, deepest and longest lake by volume, which is that Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal, it is in Russia. Where it is? It is in Russia. This is the world's oldest, deepest and longest lake. These are very important points. Write these points in your given classwork notebook. Okay children? They have given here for political and physical points. So, you have to copy this in your given notebook. Okay children? Next one, world's largest continuous sandy desert. World's largest continuous sandy desert. Only sandy is there. On that desert is surrounded by the sandy. Arabian desert. What is that? Arabian desert. It is Saudi Arabia. Where it is? Saudi Arabia. Listen carefully and you have to underline and write this. The third longest river in the world. The third longest river in the world and Asia's longest. This is third longest river and world Asia's longest. This is Asia's longest. In the world it is third longest. river Yangtze. Okay, it is in China. Okay, children, turn the page. They have given here map. This is the map, physical map. This is physical map. Here they have given, already we have studied this one, Dead Sea. This is Dead Sea. Dead Sea, it is the border of Israel and Jordan. Israel and Jordan. This is Arabian Desert. Arabian Desert. It is in Saudi Arabia. Okay. See here, Himalayas, Mount Everest, Ural Mountains, Lake Baikal, Yangtze River. These are all physical. Okay, physical features or physical records. Some of the important physical features are marked on this map of Asia. Write what is so special about each one. Label the 3 oceans. Okay, children, you have to label here 3 oceans. You know 5 oceans. Already you have studied. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. How many oceans? 5 oceans are there. Yes, no, children? Already you have studied. Okay. Here, Pritish makes a chart. Pritish makes a chart of the flags of all the countries he would like to visit in Asia. He would like. If you would like to visit in Asia, you will also go to visit. Okay. He also notes what he would like to explore, visit in those countries. See here. Pritesh makes a chart. This is the Pritesh chart of the flags of all the countries he would like to visit in Asia. He likes to visit in Asia. Okay. He also notes what he would like to explore, visit in those countries. Okay. One by one we will study. Mongolia. This is the Mongolia's flag. Explore the Gobi Desert. Here the Gobi Desert. Russia. The second one is Russia. The country Russia. This is the flag of Russia. Lake Baikal. See here in the left page they have given here Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal, it is in Russia. This is the world oldest, deepest, longest. World deepest, longest, oldest lake by volume. Yes or no, children? Yes. The next one is Japan. This is the flag of the Japan. Trek up Mount Fuji, which is an active volcano. What is meant by volcano? This is the Jwalamukhi in Kannada with dad. Next one, China. The next one country is China. This is the flag of China. Walk along the Great Wall. Observe the Gate Pandas. Here we will observe the great Gate Pandas. Okay, we found there Gate Pandas. Here it is very in here the Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. See here, this is the Great Wall of China, largest. Okay, the longest wall. This is the longest wall. Okay, the next one is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, here Arabian desert. World's largest. World's largest continuous sandy desert. World's largest continuous sandy desert. Here, see here, Arabian desert on camel. Here, they will use an animal, camel, by carrying the things. Okay? Here, Bangladesh. The ship of the desert is camel. Okay? The next one is Bangladesh. The next one is Bangladesh. This is the flag of Bangladesh. Explore the swamps of Sundarbans and catch a glimpse of the Royal Bengal tigers. What we have to find here? We have to find here Royal Bengal tigers. The next one is Sri Lanka. This is the flag of Sri Lanka. Visit the ancient city of Sigiriya, which has a rock forests and is a World Heritage Center. World Heritage Center this is. Okay. The next one is Jordan. The next one is Jordan. The next one is Jordan. The world's lowest point on land. The Dead Sea. The Dead Sea. Here Jordan. Okay. Swim in the Dead Sea. This is the flag of Jordan. This one is Iraq. This is the flag of Iraq. Explore the archaeological site of Sumerian civilization. Here, Sumerian civilization. Sumerian civilization, it means this is also dates back so many thousands of years. Okay. See here, we will be dead if we swim to the Dead Sea. We will be dead if we swim to the Dead Sea. This is an octopus. Okay. Dead Sea is many times saltier than the oceans. Saltier than the oceans. Here the salt is more than the oceans. So no aquatic animals. No aquatic animals and plants can survive there. Why? Because here the salt is more than the oceans. In the Dead Sea, the salt is more than the oceans. So here aquatic animals and plants do not survive. Otherwise, here they cannot survive because here more salt is there than the oceans. If the animals are aquatic animals or plants survive, they will become as soon as possible dead. Okay, they will die. So think and answer. Asia is also a place on earth. Why does it not have a flag? Pritesh decides to have a flag designing competition on his next birthday. He will divide his friends into 3 teams and each team will design flags for all 7 continents. All 7 continents. What fun they will have. Okay. Next page. See here children. Pritesh gets very excited as he chalks out his travel plans. For the next 3 years. He will be visiting 2 countries. Every year he will be visiting 2 countries in every year he sketches in his diary. See here, Japan, Mongolia, Southern Iraq, border of Israel and Jordan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. This like they have visited 2 countries in every year. And he sketches in his diary. Okay? See here children. You have to this like see or observe the maps about the country. They will tell us, the map give us information about the physically, and they will give us physically and politically matters. We have to point out that given information. Like this you have to do the pictures. Okay children. Here they have given some points. I will read for you this one. A continent is defined as one of the great divisions of land on earth. A continent is defined as one of the great divisions of land on earth. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Yes or no children? These are the 7 continents. These are the names of 7 continents. Asia is the largest. Australia is the smallest continent. There are 48 countries in Asia. How many? How many countries are there in Asia? There are 48 countries in Asia. Russia and Turkey belong to 2 continents. Russia and Turkey only belong to 2 continents, part of their land in Europe. Asia is the most populated continent on earth. Asia is the most populated continent on earth. The world's highest point, Mount Everest. The world's highest point is Mount Everest, and the lowest point is Dead Sea. It is in Asia. Okay children, in this period we have studied about the physical and political world records of the countries. Okay, then every country has so many informations to study. Okay, these are the main points. You have to copy this in your given classwork notebook. Okay children, next period I will send you this one question answers. You have to write in your given social workbook. Okay children, read this one properly, the lesson, and as well as you have to listen the videos, observe the videos more than 2 times. On that time only you have to understand the lesson. You observe which we have sent that videos, you have to observe 1 or 2 times. On that time only you have to get the, or you have to understand these lessons carefully. Okay children, take care. Bye.